When you open your inbox, you see emails with some labels. In our example, the labels show details about the email sender, job title, company name, and contact type in the CRM. It means that this email is linked to a certain contact record and the labels are the record snippets. A snippet displays fields that show the corresponding values without the need to open the record itself. Thus, record snippets serve as a preview of an actual record, helping you to prioritize your incoming mail and respond to important inquiries in the first place. To set up snippets like this, you need to go to Contacts folder settings and, by hovering your mouse over the fields you want to display, click on the bookmark icon. Here, under Customize Fields, you can see all the snippets you added. In My Contacts, I have company, job title, and contact type fields. Let's add the lead source. Save the settings and return to the inbox. Now, I also see the lead source field on the snippet. If you decide that there are too many snippets on your emails, you may return to Contacts folder settings and uncheck the corresponding bookmark icon. Make sure you do not overload your snippets. We recommend using 2 to 3 of them on your emails.